Hi everyone! Can you believe it's week 9 in our Quilted Block series? For our larger designs, if you've been watching all of these tutorials and grabbing your free downloads each week, your library is definitely growing. If you didn't catch the free designs, they're still available over on the website for a minimal purchase. I'll link my website down in the description below the tutorial, and I'll also link another tutorial just in case you need a refresher course on how to place this block together. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe and click that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the Quilted Block series.